Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday. So last week and the week before, so weeks 1 and 2, we did a watermelon unit. We are finished with that. So now we're going to move on and we are going to be talking about numbers this week. So we are going to read a short story called The Number Line by Krista Joy. And as you can see here, this is a picture of a number line, and we'll talk more about that throughout our story. And then at the very end, we have a few cut and paste worksheets that we can do together. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The Number Line by Krista Joy. So Krista Joy is our author. She wrote the words in our story. A number line is a line with numbers. So here we see a line. And below the line, we see a bunch of numbers. A number line can help us count. So when we count, you hear words like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a number line can help us do that. Maybe we're still learning our numbers and learning how to count. So a number line can help us count. Can you count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count to 10 on the number line? So I'm going to start and I'm going to count to 10, and you guys can follow along by either saying the numbers or by using your finger and following along as I'm counting, or just by listening and watching if you'd like. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So together we just counted to 10 using the number line. So the number line helped guide us and count from 0 to 10. Where is it on a number line? So we're going to be finding different numbers on the number line. Where is the frog on the number line? So first things first, we need to find the frog. Can you point to the frog? Here's the frog. So where is the frog on the number line? If we look right below the frog, we're going to see this number here. And this is the number 4. We can also jump on the number line to find the frog. So we'll start at the beginning and we'll stop when we get to the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the frog is at number 4, and we jumped to the number 4. Good job. Where is the pig on the number line? So first we need to find the pig. Where is the pig? Can you point to the pig? Good job, right here. So again, we can look right below the pig and we see this number. This is the number 7. But maybe we're not sure what that number is, so we could also count it out. So if we start at the beginning of the number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop at the pig, 7. Good job. Our answer is 7. The pig is on number 7. Where is Buzz Lightyear on the number line? Find Buzz Lightyear. Everyone point to Buzz Lightyear. Very good. Here he is. And he is right above the number 2. Let's count it out though. 1, 2. Buzz Lightyear is on the number 2. Good job. Where is Woody on the number line? Where is Woody? Everyone point to Woody. Where is Woody on the number line? That's right, here he is. And he is right above what number? That's the number 9. Let's count it out to get to 9. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. So remember, Woody is on number 9. Number lines are a cool tool. So that means that they can help us. They're a tool that helps us count. We can look at the pictures down here too. We have 1 snake, 2 flowers, 3 butterflies, 4 shells, 5 cherries, 6 strawberries, 7 frogs, 8 pine cones, 9 leaves, and 10 pebbles. All right, so now everyone should have a few different worksheets that I sent home. You are going to need to cut out these number choices here, 8, 2, and 5, and we're going to glue them to the correct object. Okay, so if you haven't cut them out yet, that's okay. Go ahead and pause it, cut them out, and then we will unpause it, and then we can finish the activity together. All right, so looking at our number line, and our choices down here, we need to find which number matches each object. So we have a frog, a snail, and a turtle. So the first one is a frog. Everyone see the frog? So we need to find the frog on the number line. So can you guys point to the frog? Here's the frog. So let's count. We're going to start at the beginning of the number line and stop when we get to the frog. Here we go. 1, 2. Stop there because here's the frog. So our number is 2. Can you find the number 2? Here it is. You are going to glue the number 2 in the square by the frog. Our next object is a snail. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start at the very beginning of our number line and we are going to jump until we stop at the snail. So when we get to the snail right here, we're going to stop and we're going to see what number that is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The snail is above the number 5. Can you find the number 5? Looks like this. Good job. Here's the number 5, and you are going to glue it right in the box by the snail. Number 5. All right, our last object is a turtle. So start at the beginning, and we're going to count until we hit the turtle, and then we're going to stop. So when we get to the turtle, we are going to stop and see what number that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, did we stop at the turtle? Sure did. And that is the number 8. It's the only number we have left, so you are going to find the number 8, looks like this, and glue it next to the turtle. Great job. Let's do another one. So the same thing, if you need to pause and cut out, go ahead and pause right now, and then you can get started with us. All right, our objects this time are different fruits. So we have a strawberry, an apple, and a pineapple. So we're going to count along the number line, and when we find the strawberry, we're going to stop and see what number the strawberry is on. We always have to start at the beginning of the number line. 1, 2, 3. Do you guys see the strawberry? I do, so I know I'm going to stop here, and our number is 3. The 3 looks like this. Can you find the 3? Great job. Right here's 3. And you are going to glue it in the box next to the strawberry. There are 3 strawberries, or the strawberries stopped at 3. Our next fruit is the apple. So let's go ahead and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone see the apple? So we are going to stop here. And what number is that? That is the number 6. We have 2 numbers left. Which one is the number 6? This is kind of tricky because those numbers look similar, but remember, it looks like this. Number 6, right here. Good job. Go ahead and glue the 6 next to the apple. Our last fruit is the pineapple. We are going to count from the beginning and stop when we get to the pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should I stop? Yes, because here is the pineapple. So I'm going to stop at the pineapple. And this is the number 9. Here is the number 9. You see how they look the same? Great job. Go ahead and glue that to the pineapple. So your paper should look just like this. The strawberry stopped at the 3, the apple stopped at the 6, and the pineapple stopped at the 9. Great job. Okay, you guys have a few more. We're only going to have time for 1 or 2 more, probably just 1 more. But you guys can finish the rest with your mom or dad or family member. So we're going to go ahead and do this one together. We have 3 different animals. We have a monkey or a gorilla, an elephant, and a giraffe. All right, so let's find the gorilla. We're going to do that one first. Okay, so we're going to start at the beginning, and when we see the gorilla, we're going to stop. 1. Do you see the gorilla? I do. So the gorilla, we're going to find the number 1. Which one is the number 1? Great job. Right here is the number 1. Our next animal is the elephant. Elephants are my favorite animals. Elephants. We're going to start at the beginning and we're going to count. When we see the elephant, we need to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the number 5 right here. And our last one is the giraffe. We're going to count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Here's the number 10. And it goes right here by the giraffe. Great job today, guys. Why don't you finish the last 2 with your family member at home? See you tomorrow.